Hi all, my name is Dylan Bacon. This is my Tableau CAT manufacturing project. I'm currently in Principles of Financial Accounting with Professor Jennifer Canis and course number 20762. Here we go. Right here you can see is my data source. This is where I took the Excel sheet and imported all the data for the charts you're about to see. Here's just a revenue by year chart showing each year how much revenue the company produced. Right here is total sales by quarter and year, showing how much revenue we produced per quarter on a year-by-year basis. So in 2019, 2021, and 2020. Here's our revenue by category, just showing you how much revenue we produced in each category, like telecom, medical, and stuff like that. Here's our sales by product line, showing how much sales we have per product line that we have. Here just shows you our top customers and how much we sold to each of them. Here just shows you our sales by division, showing every country that we have a division in and how much those sales are. And then here just shows you our divisions where they are in the world. Last but not least, here's the interactive dashboard. It's showing you the main graphs that I've already shown you and how they impact one another. So, what were the total sales of the third quarter of 2020? You can see right here is 9,142,297. And then what were the total sales revenue for the second quarter of 2021? Right here, quarter. And you see here that in the second quarter of 2021, it was 2,246,190. Okay. And then which product line the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category? You can see right here it's post YT. And then what is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? Here, Germany. Top product line is low YT. And then in 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in the telecom category? So go to 2020. Telecom. And the UK division. It's going to be quarter 3 with 125,634. Then who is CAT Manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? You can see here it's the Boise company. Then who is the top customer for the Russia division in 2021? Here, one. You can see that the top customer is Sacramento Inc. Incorporation. And then lastly, with all this information, you can see if I was advising the CAT manufacturing company why they should use this, because it helps analyze trends and patterns throughout the entire issue. So by able to see those trends and patterns, you can analyze it and help predict future success for the company and what areas you need to work on. So for example, you can see every year we're increasing sales revenue year by year. Let me get out. As you can see, we're increasing sales every year. Started off at 6 million and we're up at about 12 million right now, quarter 4 of 2021. But if you look closely, you can see in Germany, we're actually decreasing sales. We were at 4,057,000, and now we're about 3.5. But you can see in the United States division, we're actually increasing revenue. Right now we're at almost 6 million, and we started at about 735,000. So with that information, you see the strategies that you used in the US and see what led to that increase in sales per year. And then you can try to see what you can use from that information, figure out how to fix the Germany division from also decreasing. And you can do that in multiple ways with your customers and revenue, your product lines, and figure out how those patterns can relate to each other and how you can use them to fix those problems. And thank you for listening. And I hope you had a good time listening.